Okay, so as you may be able to tell with my wet hair, with the waves intact, I just got out of the shower. I tried some new, probably grab them because they're actually really impressive. This L'Oreal Paris Elvive shampoo and conditioner set, hyaluron and plump 72-hour hydrating shampoo with hyaluronic acid. And I've heard of the Everpure collection, but I haven't heard of these. And I was like, kind of reminds me of the Kerastase hyaluronic collection, and it's owned by the same company. So I was like, these are probably good. When I tell you my hair is so hydrated, I'm like, why is this not bigger? And I was like, you know, it's probably because it's called Elvive, because it's not how it's spelled, but in French, Elvive would mean she lives. If they changed, at least for like the American market, to she lives, she's living, you would not be able to buy these. I'm just saying. And my highlights were getting a little brassy, so I went in with this as well. And I'm hydrated as fuck. That's why the waves are intact. So we're gonna try some new things today. So like, is that good? Because I can see myself and you guys can see me better because this is some back camera action we got. I got a set for like $3 on Amazon. We just got a letter. I literally heard the delivery. It's probably brow gel. We'll see. I couldn't find it. We're going in with this Maybelline Grippy Serum. Apparently it works for up to 24 hours. Sold out at Ulta, but I found it at Walmart for an even better price. Because, you know, that's what Walmart does. And it's also got niacinamide in it. I also already did skincare in the shower. I can't remember the cleanser I used in the shower, but I used this Holy Hydration e.l.f. Triple Bounce Serum with 1.7% multi-weight hyaluronic acid, and then this e.l.f. Skin Bright Icon Vitamin C and E plus Ferulic Serum, and then this Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. And this Grippy Serum also has 2% niacinamide. There's skincare in it, and I do feel sticky, so that's good. That's what we want for a grippy primer. Do we want to do like a little bit of under eye action? Is that gonna be chill? Apparently there's under eye primers. Lord knows I need that because girl, I be trying with the sleep, but the dark circles, they just outpacing me a little bit. I got a whole bunch of new stuff, but I think we're gonna try this concealer today. But first we're gonna do the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I'm gonna try this one today. This brush is from ColourPop. I got like that. They're kind of advertising them on TikTok. Okay, this is really nice. It is super blendable, really lightweight without like being too low on like coverage. Okay, come on, super blendable. She did not lie. Taking a sponge. Okay, it has a nice foundation smell. I don't know how to describe that smell. This is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I've heard good things. I'm gonna try her today. Grabbing like a flat synthetic brush from that ColourPop thing I got. It looks good so far. This is good. Okay. Should I go in with this Saatchi contour stain? Sure, why not? I end up using too much of this, so this is me trying to not. And this is me blending it out. Birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day in the valley. Come on, little birdie. I'm so happy the dog's not barking today. Just the peaceful sounds of birdies and airplanes. That's what we want. Even though I don't love hearing the airplanes. What else can I use today that's new? This isn't new, but it's tried and true, so we're gonna get in there with her. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. Do you guys remember when Beyonce was the face of L'Oreal? She always looks so pretty. I mean, she always looks pretty, like, regardless, but I remember in those ads, I was like, Beyonce, I wanna be like her when I grow up. Just like Tapping in a little bit more concealer. My hair is drying. I have a window open. Like this window I'm using is actually partially open today, which is why you can hear the birds and the airplanes. The winged things. I'm just enjoying the peaceful vibes today. I love a peaceful vibe. You gotta cherish that when there's like so much chaos in this world. And someone just slammed a door. It's fine. We're gonna do a lip liner stain today. Got some special tools that they're like a cent each so that I can like more precisely apply my lip liner stains. So we're gonna go in with this hard candy in mocha ink. Ooh. It's just much easier to get a thin line this way, which is what you want, right? Like a cream blush moment. Going on with this Morphe Cheek Thrills situation. Grabbing the cream color. And I'm just using this as like the base for the future blush, which I might not use the other ones, but I kind of like the neutralness of this. Kind of anything can go on top of it if you want. Trying this L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection powder. This is the light pink one. Was not ready for all that. Well, that went on a little patchy for me. I don't know if I like this. I'm gonna try this translucent version of the Revolution Beauty pressed powder and see if I can like even this out. Girl, I don't know. Like, does that look good? I don't know. I feel like all my lines just like re-entered the chat, child. Okay, we're going in with this Revlon blush in Rosy Rendezvous. It's like this beigey pink color. Peeled off the stain and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna try this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour Fresh Wear bronzer, powder bronzer, in the shade Light Medium. Hello? If it'll let me. I haven't used powder bronzer in a minute. Okay, alright, I'm okay with that. Going in with this Milani Make It Last Original. And And then where's the lid? I don't know. I'm gonna wait for her to dry and come back. All right, we're back. We've dried. I gotta figure out like proper technique for setting my under eyes so that they don't get patchy, because girl, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, here she is, right in front of, I mean, I guess it's not too late. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lifter liner. I have like 4 shades of this now. It's really good. Girl. Hello? I think it's because they were getting too much sun. It like melted and then loosened and just came off. It was a perfect storm. I bought these CoverGirl lipsticks because of that Erin Parsons video. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Girl. It's so 2000s. Oh my god. Come on, rose quartz. I was not ready. I was not prepared. I could have gone in with the darker one and it might have been more subtle, but here we are. Okay, do we do mascara today? I guess we can try some. I already did my spray, so it's not gonna go everywhere. I mean, also I wanted to film some TikToks maybe today, so. Oh, yeah, she's melted. It's like 80 something degrees in February here. Girl, you didn't. I'm not making this look any more complicated. I'm just leaving that as it is. This CoverGirl Wrap Eye Enhancer, it's like a tubing mascara. This is the wand. I kind of want to lie down to do my mascara. As you can see, I got it all over my face. But in spite of that, I still think I'm looking pretty cute. And I will fix that. And the natural wave is looking pretty cute and formed and not super frizzy. And I didn't use anything on my hair beyond those shampoo and conditioners, so I'm pleased. Hope you like the look. Bye.